Next we have is the geometric progression. Oh, sorry. Have you seen the properties of this? No. Properties are still remaining for this GP. The same properties we have here. Properties of GP. Okay, I will take the same example. Maybe 1 comma 10 comma 100 comma 1000. Okay, if I add 10 to this, what happens? 10 20 110, sorry, it becomes 11, no, sorry, 11 20 110 and 1010. Is this okay?
Sir, we have to add 10 to each term, right?
Yes.
We have to add 10 to each term.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So 10 plus 1 is 11, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 100 is 1110, 110, and 1000 plus 10 is 1010. Is this okay? Now tell
Yes.
me whether this sequence is in GP.
No, sir.
So it is not
No.
in a GP. It is not in a GP. Okay. So common ratio का तो ये कुछ आता ही नहीं है. Common ratio not applicable. So similarly, if I subtract 10 from each, what I will get is 9 minus 9 0. Maybe I will get 10 minus 100 minus. So here I will get 90 and here I will get 990. Is this in a GP? Still not. So R is
No.
still not applicable. But see here now, when I have 1 comma 10 comma 100 comma 1000, when I multiply by, let's suppose 2, when I multiply by 2, what happens? 2 comma 20 comma 200 comma 2000. Is it in AP, or sorry, it is in GP?
Yes, sir.
It is in GP. And what is the common ratio?
10.
What is the
10.
common ratio? It is still
10.
10. It is still 10. देखो भाई, ओरिजिनली ये मेरा GP था and the common ratio was 10. The common ratio was 10. If I multiply by any number to the all the elements of GP, the new sequence still remains in GP and with the same common ratio. If I divide by 10, what happens? If I divide by 10, what happens? So it is 0.1 comma 1 comma 10 comma 100. It is in GP. And what is the
Yes,
common
sir.
ratio?
1 by 10.
It is 1
10.
by 10. It is still, sorry, it is 10, no? 100 by 10 is what?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is still same, which is 10. Okay, so originally 10 था, new भी मेरा 10 है. Means see here the observations. Addition subtraction does not give me the GP of GP. Addition and subtraction does not give me the new GP, whereas the multiplication and division will give me the new GP with the same common ratio. Okay, just compare these properties, same properties, with the arithmetic progression properties which we have seen at the start of this lecture. The questions based on this are very frequently asked in this your ND exam. Maybe they will give you some of the statements. Okay, the first statement is what? The addition to all the elements of the AP, the new sequence is still AP with the same common ratio, and so many things they will give you in the different permutations, and we have to answer each of them. So please understand, don't mug up these don't mug up these properties, just do in this way. Okay, which I have done here. Okay, very good. Next thing to observe is very important. Okay, which was asked in your 2017. If suppose these are the things 1 comma 10 comma 100 comma 1000, so if I reciprocal, okay, if I take ulta reciprocate, if I reciprocate all the terms, what I will get? 1 comma 1 by 10 comma 1 by 100 comma 1 by 1000. What is this sequence? Is it AP, GP or HP?
GP, sir, and
It is
common
still
difference
in
is
GP. It is still in GP. What is the common difference?
common ratio I 1 by 10.
Common ratio is what? It's 1 by 10. Means what I'll say is, if the original GP, if you invert it, If you original GP, if you invert it, the new series you will get is in GP only, with the common ratio is 1 by R. Are you getting the point? Is this okay? And it is applicable for all, okay? ऐसा नहीं कि सर 110 को इसको ही applicable है. No, you take any other example, 2, 4, 8, 16. You will get the same 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 16. Still it is in GP. What is the common ratio here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is what my common ratio. 1 by 16 upon 1 by 8 is 1 by 2 only. Is this okay? So this one,
Yes, sir.
yes, this one is very important. इसके साथ next one, which was the 2019 question. Okay, 2019 question था. So this is suppose 1, 10, 100 and 1000. If I take log of all these elements, what will happen? Log of 1 is what? It's 0. Log of 10, 1. Log of 100, 2. Log of 1000, it's 3. This is in GP. What is this? What is this?
AP.
It is in GP? No, it is in AP. sir.
No.
Means what? If you take log of GP, I will get the AP. Are you getting the point? And it is applicable for all the terms. Please, it is applicable for all the terms. All the GPs. Okay, even if you take 2, 4, 8, 16, you will get the same thing. If I take the log of these all terms, the next answers, whatever you will get, those answers will be in AP only. Are you getting the point? This was the question of your 2019. If all the terms of the GP, if I take the log of all the terms of a GP, the new series you will get is, see, again I'm telling you, don't mug up these things. How the question is given, based on that, we have some concepts or we have some tricks to solve those questions. Okay, those tricks you will be getting maybe in this class or in the next class. Don't worry. ऐसा नहीं सर ये इतना सब कैसा याद रखेंगे, ज़रूरत नहीं याद रखने की. You will come to know these things. Okay, so these are the important properties of the geometric progressions, and that's it. Only these things are required for the geometric progressions. Any doubt in the geometric progression?
सर जॉमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन मध्ये कभी r इक्वल टू 1 नहीं होता क्या?
होता है ना बॉस, होता है ना. सो यस, देखो यहाँ पे. सो व्हाट अबाउट दिस 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Is this in AP, GP or HP? What is the common difference here?
1.
Common difference is how much?
1, sir.
अबे common difference बे.
0.
Common difference is 0 and this 0 is same to all the terms. So I will say this 1, 1, 1, 1 is in AP. What is the common ratio?
1.
What is the common ratio is 0 and this common ratio is same to all. So it is common ratio is 1. So can I say this is in GP also? Of course. So the common ratio can be 1 also. If common ratio, see what is the condition?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in 11th standard we were told that 1 upon 1 is to 1 upon 1 is cannot be a ratio, sir. So r couldn't be equal to 1 in geometric progression.
No. It can be. Where it is? Is this in your textbook? It is the written in the textbook.
Our previous teacher had told us.
Okay. Let me confirm, but as per my knowledge, this can also be the geometric progression. This can also be the geometric progression. Yes, definitely. No problem. I will reconfirm it once again, but as per my knowledge, this you can take as a geometric progression also. 1, 1, 1. Or you will take 10, 10, 10. This can also be the geometric progression. Is this okay?
Sir,
See, only the condition is what is the condition is here. You should have the common ratio should be same in all. Yes, bolo.
Sir, but if the number gets repeated, then we can't say that it is in progression.
Why not? Progression means what? It is nothing but the next terms you are getting. The sequence, it is progressing. The sequence is progressing. Means you mean to say it is not in AP also.
Sir, but in this case, the number is repeating, no?
So what happens then? It is still in
We can-
progression. See, progression means what? You are getting some next terms. When we say the progression, if you are able to find out the nth term of that progression, that means it is a progression. Don't worry. I will reconfirm it for you people. But as per my knowledge, this is also called as a progression. 1 comma 1 comma 1 or 10 comma 10 comma 10. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, what I will do is we will take one example. Maybe ये theory part बहुत हो गया है. Maybe you people are feeling bored here. So let's see one example which was there in your 2019. Okay, 2019 first part. I will take this question and we will move to the next part. What is the nth term? What is the nth term of the sequence what is the nth term of the sequence 25 comma minus 125 comma 625 minus 3125 comma dot dot dot, and your options are like this: minus 5 raised to power 2n minus 1. Option B is minus 1 to the power 2n and 5 raised to power n plus 1. Third, minus 1 to the power 2n minus 1 5 raised to power n plus 1, and option D is minus 1 to the power n plus 1 5 raised to power n plus 1. Yes, so this was the question from your 2019 first part. What is the nth term of the sequence? Yes, please. What is the nth term of the sequence? No?
No, sir.
क्यों? It's very simple.
माइनस वन टू द पावर n माइनस वन आ रहा है और 5 टू द पावर n प्लस वन.
तो ऑप्शन ही
Yes,
नहीं है
sir.
क्या ऐसा कुछ?
हाँ.
हाँ ऑप्शन ही नहीं है.
बाप रे भाई, कैसा करना है फिर? See, it's very simple formula. It's very simple question. See, you have two ways to do this. The one way which you people have done, the other way is what I am doing. See here. You know that this is the given GP. Definitely it is in GP, no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you don't have the knowledge of AP, GP or HP also, then also this question can be solved. Dekho how. So this is the sequence they have given, and definitely this will be my first term, this will be first term, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth term. Are you getting the point? This
Yes,
is in
sir.
the, I don't know whether it is AP, GP or HP, okay, but what I know the basics. See how I am solving this question. This is first, second, third and fourth. Means the n value for this is 1. For first term, the n is equals to 1. Second, the n is equals to 2. Yes or no? If n is equals to 1, if I take, I should get the value 25. If I see, these are what? These are the general terms of the given sequence. In this sequence, if I put n is equals to 1, then I should get 25 as in my answer. Are you getting the point? Let's check. If I take n is equals to 1 in this option, what happens? minus 5 to the power 2 minus 1, which is nothing but something 5, which is minus 5. So definitely it is not my answer. What I require, when I substitute n is equals to 1, I should get 25. Let's check for this. Minus 1 to the power 2n. 2 is, n is what? N is equals to 1 I am substituting. Definitely it is going to be wrong one. Why? Minus 1 to the power 1 means what? It is always going to be positive only. It is always going to be positive. But if you see the sequence, I want sequence like plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. But this sequence is giving me all the positive numbers. Are you getting the point? So this is absolutely wrong. This is also wrong. Next question. Next में देखो क्या होता है. Minus 1 to the power, when n is equals to 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1 is nothing but 2. So it is giving me minus 25. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So this is also not correct. Why? I want plus 5, plus 25. So only remaining option is what? It's a D. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 into 5 into 5 raised to power 2, which is nothing but 25. That's it. This is what my answer is. See, why I have neglected, why I have rejected this option. 2n means what? It is even term. It is even term. For any value of n, if you take, it is going to be even only. Means negative ka even power if you take, it will give you all the positive terms. Whereas in this case, n plus 1 is not an even. It is an odd even combination. So for n is equals to 1, I am getting even number. For n is equals to 2, if I substitute, what I will get? Negative number. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus the odd power is what? It's a 3. So what is my answer in this question is? This is what my answer is. Are you getting the...
Sir.
Yes, bolo.
Sir, what if we do it in traditional way? Then how to match the options?
Traditional way may match. Okay, let me try for that. So your A is 25 here, and what is R is 5, no? So it is R is minus 5.
Minus.
Okay, the general term we know that is A R to the power n minus 1, which is nothing but 25 R to the power minus 5 to the power n minus 1. Okay, अभी इसको कैसा करेंगे देखो. 25 into ये minus I will write like this, minus 1 to the power n minus 1 and 5 to the power n upon 5. Is it okay if I write like this? So 5 gets cancelled. So what I am getting is minus 1 to the power n minus 1, 5 to the power n plus 1. This was you were getting. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी इसको देखो. 5 to the power n plus 1, it is giving me the magnitude. It is giving me the magnitude. Whether it is 25 or 125 or 625, it is giving me this magnitude. See, minus 1 to the power n minus 1, this is giving me the sign. This is giving me the sign. Now check, for n is equals to 1, what sign you are getting? Plus. For n is equals to 2, what sign you will get? Minus. N is equals to 3, you will get plus. N is equals to 4, you will get minus. Means what we require, in the given question we require plus, minus, and so on. If it is satisfying that condition, then it is the correct answer. Now check which condition is satisfying the same thing. Magnitude remains same, 5 raised to power n plus 1, 5 raised to power n plus 1, this is the what you have. But the term minus 1 to the power n minus 1 is what? It is a plus minus. Okay, it was the plus minus. It should not be minus plus minus. There is a huge difference between plus minus and minus plus. Option C is giving me minus plus. Option D is giving me plus minus. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the answer you have calculated, that is absolutely correct. But only thing is what the interpretation of the correct option. Is this okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
what I will suggest is, whenever this type of questions comes, go with the substitution method. In 2019 there were 4 questions and all the 4 questions can be solved in just 40-60 seconds both हो गया using substitution methods. No, nothing. I don't require whether to know the knowledge of AP, GP or HP. Nothing. Okay, chalo. What we will do is, okay, I will take, yes, bolo.
Sir, what is difference between option B and D?
Option B and
D.
okay, there is a huge difference. देखो magnitude is same, दोनों का magnitude same है.
Yes, sir.
This part and this part is same, but here if you see minus 1 to the power 2n, tell me minus 1 to the power 2n means what? Minus 1 to the power even number. 2n means what? It's a even number, no?
Yes, sir.
So minus 1 to the power even is always going to be positive only.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 to the power 10 किती है? It is plus 1. Minus
Plus
1 चा power 20 किती है? It is plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 18 किती है? It is plus 1. So you take any power, even power of negative number, it is going to be positive only. So that is the difference. But where you see in the option D, it is n plus 1. Minus 1 to the power n plus 1. N you take any value. If I take n is equals to 1, 2, 3, what will be n plus 1? 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
So हा झाला even, हा झाला even. So for these two even numbers, my answer is what? It is a positive one. But for this 3, my answer is what? It's a negative one. So this sequence is giving me plus minus, but this is giving me only plus. That is the difference between these two.
Yes, sir. Got it.